If you want to learn how to design circuits, and or if you do not have Arduino Uno and you want to practice, right? You want to practice online, then you can visit Tinkercad.com. Right? Once you log in using your email ID, it will take you to the dashboard. On dashboard on the right side, just click. There are a lot of things you can explore, but I'll show you a couple of things here. So on dashboard here, you can click on create, and then you can click on circuits. And on the right side, you see components, the basic components here on the drop down. So let's say you want to practice on Arduino Uno, so you can just click on Arduino Uno here, R3, this one. Click on this, drag and drop, right? So drag and drop. So click on this. You have Arduino Uno here, and let's say you want to design a code which can blink LED. So you can just again click on LED and drag and drop here. You want to apply connections, let's put registered here. So for example, in ground, okay, and then this one. If you want to change color, you can go here and change red, right? So simple connection. Now to code, just click on the code section here, okay, and then click on the drop down blocks and click on then text. Here you have the code. You have two choices. Either you can test the way it is right now. If you click on start simulation, it will glow the LED, or you can change the code. You can modify the code here. So the code has been modified, and if I click on start simulation, the LED will glow. So this is very simple. If you want to practice, you do not have Arduino, you can do it through this website. There are multiple websites you can search on Google, but it's very simple. You can try and use. Good to design architecture also. If you want to design architecture, you can use many websites like this. Okay.